Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa in a food processor. First, gather all your fresh ingredients like ripe tomatoes, crisp onions, and fragrant cilantro. Wash and roughly chop your vegetables into manageable pieces. Don't forget to measure out your spices, such as a half teaspoon of cumin, a quarter teaspoon of chili powder, and a full teaspoon of salt, preparing everything before you begin processing. Now, let's get chopping. Add your harder vegetables like onions and jalapenos to the food processor first. Pulse them a few times until they are finely diced. Then, add your softer ingredients such as tomatoes and fresh cilantro. Pulse in short bursts, just 1 or 2 seconds at a time, to achieve a chunky texture, avoiding a watery puree. Once your vegetables are chopped, it's time to season your salsa. Add fresh lime juice, salt, and any additional spices like a pinch of sugar or more chili powder. Pulse the mixture briefly to ensure all the flavors are well combined. Always taste your salsa and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve your perfect balance of flavor and heat. Your delicious homemade salsa is almost ready. Transfer it from the food processor to a serving bowl. For the best flavor, chill the salsa in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Store any leftover salsa in an airtight container in the fridge, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.